اردو، چینی اور انگریزی سیکھیں. 学习乌瓦族语、中文和英语 Learn Urdu, Chinese and English.
ہفتے کے دن 星期中的7天 Days of the week. In Urdu we say itwar, itwar. In Chinese we say 星期天, 星期天. In English we say Sunday, Sunday. In Urdu we say beer, beer. In Chinese we say 星期一, 星期一. In English we say Monday, Monday. In Urdu we say Mangal, Mangal. In Chinese we say 星期二, 星期二. In English we say Tuesday, Tuesday. In Urdu we say Bud, Bud. In Chinese we say 星期三, 星期三. In English we say Wednesday, Wednesday. In Urdu we say Jumeirat, Jumeirat. In Chinese we say 星期四, 星期四. In English we say Thursday, Thursday. In Urdu we say Jummah, Jummah. In Chinese we say 星期五, 星期五. In English we say Friday, Friday. In Urdu we say hafta, hafta. In Chinese we say 星期六, 星期六. In English we say Saturday, Saturday. Now we're going to say the days of the week in Urdu. Itwar, Peer, Mangal, Budh, Jumerat, Jummah, Hafta. Now we're going to say the days of the week in Chinese. 星期天, 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六. Now we're going to say the days of the week in English. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the notification bell to get more updates on our videos.